Hey, good morning, folks. This is Phil from Seachoice. I'm out here today on a new location. Instead of being in the office, we're going to come outside where we can demonstrate some of our products on an actual boat. So there's some items on here that can start to be easily replaced with just nothing but a screwdriver. So just looking around, I came up with some ideas of what we can try and replace or show you how to replace. And something very easy I thought of was the fasteners. Boats have a lot of different stainless steel fasteners for different purposes throughout the boat. And Seachoice actually stocks a couple different fastener kits. So if you want a variety of fasteners, or you just need something to keep in your garage for, hey, when you need a fastener, you got one. This box here has over 750 fasteners, and this isn't even our largest model. This is just the one I grabbed from stock. So it has a mix of tapping and machine screws. I also brought with me some Seachoice marine silicone. When we're replacing these fasteners, we're going to be working on wet areas or areas that like to get wet. So you can use some silicone to keep those areas extra dry and keep your fasteners shinier for longer. We have a pry-up deck plate, a twist deck plate actually, with 6 fasteners that you can see are somewhat rusted. And these fasteners are probably more rusty than the other ones on the boat because of where they're located. They're constantly getting splashed by the other boat's wake or from the runoff of the boat water. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew one of these and see what how we're going to replace it. Here's the fastener that we have. You can see it has some rust on there. And since we have new ones, we might as well replace them. This looks like a match. Yep, that'll work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the 6 rusty ones and replace them with these 6 new shiny fasteners from our Seachoice kit. So just to do a little bit more maintenance and clean it the right way the first time, I'm going to just clean some of this off with a sponge and a water hose, get it nice and clean, then seal it back up with our new fasteners and some marine silicone. Our deck plate actually has some rust marks in it too, as you can see here. So it wasn't just the fasteners, it kind of rubbed off from the fasteners. And we stock these at Seachoice. So maybe the next time I swing over to the boat, I'll just replace the whole hatch, not just the fasteners. I'm gonna add a little dollop of silicone into each one of the fastener slots there. It's general purpose silicone, mold and mildew resistant, and it's very weatherproof. So you don't have to worry about anything with the salt water or the rain. This is high quality silicone to make these holes watertight. So that's it. Quick, easy, do-it-yourself replacement. Took us about 3 minutes. Cleaned it out, added some new silicone, and prettied this thing up a little bit. Let's see how many more we can find. Not far from our other hatch, we found a hatch that could use some fastener replacements as well. This here on the stern of the boat, this is our bilge pump hatch. We've got 7 fasteners. 8 fasteners, excuse me, that we can definitely replace. It's a little bit dirty. I'm going to take the fasteners out first, replace those, and then I'm going to scrub it down with some boat wash to give it that shine we're looking for. So yeah, this is slightly different than the other one. This is a machine screw, not a tapper. See if we have a replacement. Looks like we do. Very easy to find right off the top. Yep, we're comparing apples to apples. Yep, so within this Seachoice kit, we are able to replace these 8 fasteners. All right, we got 8 of them. I'm gonna put those right there so I don't lose them. Unscrew these other 7. There we go. So that's about as good I can do with no soap. I'm gonna throw some Seachoice soap around here and see if that helps get some of this additional grime out of here. That's the bilge, so if anything goes down in there, it's just giving the inside of the boat an extra cleaning. Ooh, smells nice. It's the reverse side of the hatch, so we don't really care how bad it looks or how good it looks, because you never really see it. But while we're here, just want to give it a good clean. All right, another easy project. Took us all of 5 minutes and really looks good as new.